Hey guys, if you want to learn how I get my lashes to look long and curled and to last all day long, go ahead and keep watching this video and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so what you're going to need is an eyelash curler. I actually got this from the Dollar Tree, a waterproof mascara. I use Maybelline, and a regular mascara for length and volume. I use a 3D Effect mascara from Farmasi. So I'm going to go ahead and start at the base of my lashes. I'm going to hold it there, lash curler there for a few seconds. And then I'm going to pull it up and hold it up like that. It looks kind of weird, but it works, guys. So I'm not really like holding close the lash curler really hard or anything. I'm doing it very lightly and letting my lashes just like kind of pull out as I'm, pulling it up. So it does not pull out my lashes. It does not hurt my eyelids or my eyes at all. It actually kind of feels kind of relaxing when I do this. So I'm gonna do the sides and the middle, and I do that a few times until I get the, curl that I'm wanting, that I'm looking for. So I just keep on doing that. I actually have a little bit of mascara that was left on from the day before, so that actually helps my lashes curl a bit better. But you could do it fine with just, bare lashes. You don't have to have mascara on them. So yeah, like I said, I keep doing the same process. I do the sides, I do the center of my lashes, and then after I get that curl going, then the last step I do is go to the very, very base of my lashes, and then I will hold that closed down for a few seconds. So once I take off the lash curler, I kind of notice like still need a little bit more curl, so I do that first process one more time, and then like I said, the last step is going to be at the very base of my lashes and hold it there for a few seconds. And then I'm going to take the waterproof mascara, and what I do is I rub it on there first, side to side, and then I comb through from the very base all the way to the top. And as I'm doing this, I'm going to be blinking, and that helps distribute all the mascara through the lashes from bottom to the top. So you're gonna, get length from that technique. And of course I do the same process on the other eye, and I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this eye because you already saw how I did the first one. So I'm gonna fast forward through it, and then we'll go on to the next step. Okay, so I do about 2 coats of waterproof mascara, and then after that I clean whatever mess that I make on my eyelids. I use a Q-tip, and I put some either lotion or coconut oil to help take off that waterproof mascara, and then I do the rest of my eye makeup, like the eyeshadow and eyeliner, and I think in this video I'm only wearing eyeshadow, so I do that, and then that's when I put the waterproof mascara, not waterproof, the 3D Effect mascara, which is just a regular mascara, but I really like this one because it gives so much length and volume, and it's like really black, so I really love this mascara. So I put about maybe 2 to 3 coats, I believe, and yeah, I just love the way it makes it look so beautiful. So for the bottom lashes, I just use a 3D Effect mascara, and you don't need the waterproof for the bottom because the whole reason why I use waterproof is because it holds the curl. So that is the trick to hold a curl, is a waterproof mascara. And then You could put waterproof mascara at the bottom lashes if you want, but this 3D Effect mascara is water resistant. It's not waterproof, but it's water resistant. So if you were to, like, if your eyes get watery or anything, it's not going to run. So I use the 3D Effect on the bottom because it's for the length and the volume. So I put about 2 coats, I believe, on the bottom lashes, and if I feel like I need some more on the top lashes, then I'll add some more. I don't really count, you know, how many coats I put on the top lashes, just, you know, however much that I feel like I need, I'll just, you know, do another coat. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you would like to subscribe to my channel, that would be awesome. I hope that this works out for you. If you try this technique, go ahead and comment below if it works out for you or not. I know for me, it took me a couple of tries to get the hang of it, and then after that, I just, you know, I loved how my lashes came out. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!